हामबाय
Kisa rang maribaino gobang rang buisa ajinani kaisa sep gaham nini nokni pukrio no khlaidi dalbidal beremni ajar rangmari kisa baino tabu mandai chargoria kamini takhuk ranjan deburmani aro manthogu dalbidal beremni kaham apona manthogu kodorte chikona busa apona nangnai lukurok kerengdi o kokdukni mariwo 9862025654 eba 7005258458 Chargoria Mandai Bazar
Chinoro joto amano katla ruj milka joto aman thogo jongoro sirbal kap karpu capan putih tei joto anu tongo kaham kai gas kap tongo kaham a tei komrot tono manai kom damino amanai manthoknai chinobo jagani mung kai Sargoria village Pronov Bidabomoni ganabo lik tongo kasa sata lik tongo aga gano manthoknai a komretono manthoknai
जों sak-sakno बै mangkhojakna musung layo muitok phaijakani जों sak-sakno बै mangkhojakna musung layo muitok phaijakani musung layo Elem baksao kaitani samang thaidi hake borok kodo maromui kathang tong sak nana muita khlai tongbaibana
Welcome to the Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology, School of Natural Sciences, Techno, Indian University, Tripura. The department is aligned with NEP 2020 policy. The course curriculum facilitated all students over here to undergo the research-oriented courses, which is aligned with the industry-oriented manner. And all students over here are getting the overall facility of the high-tech, the modern laboratory facilities in this department. All the faculties in the department are expertise in microbiology and biotechnology. They are providing one-to-one mentoring, high-impact research projects to the student, and students in deep learning they are offering, so that the students can get more industry exposure across the country, and they can settle in the high-tech industry in our country. Helping dreams become a reality. Come and join TIUT.
সতর্ক হন, আপনি কি ফ্ল্যাট বা প্লট কিনেছেন অথবা কেনার পরিকল্পনা করছেন? তাহলে আগে নিশ্চিত হয়ে নিন প্রকল্পটি ত্রিপুরা রিয়েল এস্টেট রেগুলেটরি অথরিটি অর্থাৎ টি-রেরার রেজিস্ট্রেশন আছে কিনা। এখনো পর্যন্ত টি-রেরা 203টি রিয়েল এস্টেট প্রকল্পের রেজিস্ট্রেশন দিয়েছে। বিগত কয়েক বছরে 33 জন রিয়েল এস্টেটের গ্রাহক প্রতারিত হওয়ার পর টি-রেরা অফিসে অভিযোগ নথিভুক্ত করেন, যার মধ্যে 31টি মামলায় সুষ্ঠু নিষ্পত্তি করেছে টি-রেরা। বিস্তারিত জানতে যোগাযোগ করুন।
Welcome to ICFAI University, a hub of knowledge, innovation, and excellence. Step into a world of endless possibilities and shape your future with us. At ICFAI University, Tripura, we are committed to academic brilliance. Our diverse programs are designed to empower students with knowledge, skills, and innovation-driven learning, engineering the future with advanced technology and innovation, shaping tomorrow's legal experts with in-depth knowledge and practical exposure, training compassionate healthcare professionals to make a difference, building future sports professionals and educators. At ICFAI University, education goes beyond classrooms. Experience the best of academics, sports, and culture with our vibrant events. ICFAI, the state's best cultural extravaganza, with world-class infrastructure, high-speed Wi-Fi, and a tech-enabled campus, we ensure a seamless learning environment. High-speed 2.5 Gbps capacity Wi-Fi 6 coverage across the campus, hostel, and classrooms makes ICFAI University Tripura a true giga campus. Join us and turn your dreams into reality. Your journey towards success begins here. Be a part of ICFAI University Tripura and shape your future. Admissions open now.
Brown lychee drink. Refresh your feelings. Khulungka ang Sunita Morashik nurukso tono lam shugo sinita bushok zorani Kokborok koktumawo. Pulanu fadi na leyano tini ni koktuma bokragrok. Joint Action Committee of Civil Society ni Luazi Sakon by Palazaka World's Indigenous Peoples Day Arshale Panak Laja Karaza Koragli ni Short Pobono. Saat kita termusung pandang ceng showida kamodir onimes table manok kobe itu menadong rok. Aba haikin op pandani paitagok Laja kakasih himbodok. Shakbaitani bisisa omoni besazung nono bithisa rawi bathar ka bufa. Aba hini besani faizan kokshulza muti shaka bathar jana israini buma. Parti muni yagolo israini bufa rothindra de bormana kokshungna ni bagai. Kashoka police. Parti mung khwai ni tola shikor amsayo. Hai nago ke borok kurishani shep nahari kisa suk themrang rok bai khoroksa borok ni tong thainok soksawi klangjak mani kokshul sam kasaka abo bai khamoi thapla saka khungsa tong thainok party mungkhwai thanani laltila amsayo bai thago khungsa phai ranger phai horba tharmani bai yako phai ka horslai Charshala IPF ni loaji sakmbai khomulung ni khomdea hadewa palaijaka World Indigenous Day ashoni panao manjaka IPF ni GS Hopande Burma Mantri Shukla Chorma teno khoboi te kubana dongro abai kino khaijaka kaisha rally Chashal Pungo Kumus with a Malcolm Halala to the Lemani Pega Korok Saborok, Twinini Mo, Hindu Shutrodor, Party Mukomal Port Hanani Halale Amsini Portoma. Chashal Chandazora War Village Committee election at the Monday Amsayo Klaisaka Humsang Rally. Ashali Rally or Manzagati Disney, German Jogdis de Burma. Monday the Bramothani Block President Tony de Burma of Kobe Botany, the Kubanadong Dog. Shorna Kombol Jewelers ni Shakhar Mumbai Shorna Tarang Tang Patang Roge Hasan Dalbidal Rungno Public Place Day Community Amse Rogo Kaisa Kabang Besa Tabukok Toma Shukroboy Joint Action Committee of Civil Society ni Loazi Sakma by Palajaka World's Indigenous Peoples Day Arshale Pana Klaja Karaza Koragli ni to short Hobono Sati Katar Musungi Pandano Cheng Shovida Kamondre Onimis de Bormano Kobo de Kubanatong Rock Aba Haikino Pandani Paitago Klajaka Kashihim Botok
Jorano, Lyria, which and Pistaleri Takaba, Tininaroy Okrano, Kuhui Pohor, or Pohor.
Bishubrum 9 August Halmario Palajago International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples. Abani Fela Mongori Daklaibo. Abahikinu Joint Action Committee of Civil Society Loazi Sakma by Razakor Agulini, the Shorod Bobona Palajaka Ashal. Abahikinu Ashali Pandawa Nare Okrangi Manzaka Montri Onimis de Burma. Abahikinu Manzaka DDWS ne Asufang Dr. Bizoy de Burma. DIL ni Asufang Mongol de Burma. UTF Advisor Dr. Kahamnok Somatia, PWF ni Asofang Orpona de Burma, TSF ni GS Hamalu Somatia, the Robala de Burma no Kobe de Kubanatong Rock, Abnegla Panda Puila no Klaisaka, the Brasha Boshoni, Kaisiko Kanmung Chan Munoti Fashion Show. Abni aglono panda kok sanan thang montre onimis de Burma shaka taklai bishini Indigenous Day ni theme onka Artificial Intelligence chinotiye abaikino shaka Artificial Intelligence asoke tabok shaka ngitongkha boroksa Artificial Intelligence chino makiri nai henei bororok ni chaya rokno kibi wei kaham khlai represent khlai man henei abaikino debatal bidal nakomani koklam shaka Artificial Intelligence chinotiye montre onimis de Burma
Indigenous Day ni taklai ni theme ka Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the most happening thing in the field of information technology. And যখন আগে পড়ি শুরু artificial intelligence ko primitive stage o tongmani জন্য যারা computer science তে পড়নাই রবনো 4 semesters artificial intelligence তে কাইসা subject ফরজা কই Kutung sano romkan ke yasi tungzan nai banini dabura bufa besani bumung ritori kai muti phanani daburan bumung tamo artificial intelligence baige tiklai a technique rok kharangja bai kintu tini artificial intelligence asaga wiga borok manush rok sa tabuk